Welcome to Rooted Rest, a guided relaxation practice. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. You may choose to lie down on a bed or couch, or perhaps you prefer to sit in a cozy chair. Allow your body to be supported in whatever way feels most easeful. If it feels comfortable, you may gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Allow yourself a few moments to arrive. Remind yourself that there is nowhere else you need to be. Nothing to accomplish, nothing to fix. This is your time to pause and simply rest. Begin to notice the space around you, welcoming the sounds in the room and the sounds further away. Notice the temperature of the air against your skin, the places where your body is supported. Sense the weight of your body being received by the surface beneath you. Now gently bring your awareness to the breath, simply noticing it just as it is. Sensing the touch of the air as it moves in and as it moves out. If you'd like, allow yourself to take a few slower breaths in through the nose and sigh them out through the mouth. Before we settle more deeply into this practice, take a moment to notice what you would like to receive. Perhaps you'd like to cultivate more ease, more rest, greater self-compassion. Take a moment to quietly listen inwardly. With curiosity and kindness. If a word, image, or feeling arrives, allow it to gently rest in your awareness. Trust in whatever arises, even if nothing in particular comes to mind. That too is perfectly okay. Simply noticing is enough. Letting go of the thinking mind now and moving our attention through the body. Let your mind follow my words and welcome each area of the body just as it is. Bring your awareness to the crown of the head, the forehead, the space around the eyes, the cheeks, the jaw. Inviting each area to soften in its own time. Notice the neck, the shoulders, the upper arms, elbows, forearms, the hands, and each of the fingers. Bringing your awareness to the chest, the belly, the upper back, mid back, lower back. Noticing the hips, the thighs, the knees, lower legs, the ankles, the feet, all the way to the tips of the toes. Now sensing the body as a whole. The whole body, supported by the surface beneath you. The gentle rhythm of your breath moving through your body. Simply resting here, just as you are. Allow your awareness to gently return to the breath. There's nothing to change, simply noticing the natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. Feeling the gentle rise and fall of the body with each breath. Perhaps noticing a brief pause at the top of the inhale and another at the end of the exhale. Not trying to lengthen or deepen the breath, simply allowing yourself to be breathed. As the breath continues in its own quiet rhythm, begin to bring a gentle awareness to the heart. Not simply the physical heart, but the quiet center of your being. You may notice that the mind naturally analyzes, compares, plans, and remembers. It imagines what comes next. This is not a problem. It is simply one of the ways the mind tries to care for us. The heart speaks a different language. It doesn't need to solve. It doesn't need to judge. It doesn't need to have all the answers. It simply meets this moment exactly as it is. For these next few moments, allow your awareness to settle here in the heart space, the quiet center of your being. Nothing to fix, nothing to figure out. Simply resting with an open heart. Breathing gently. Receiving this moment just as it is. Begin to notice the breath once again. The natural rhythm of breathing in and breathing out. Notice the support beneath you. The temperature of the air on your skin. And the sounds in the space around you. Simply noticing how you feel now. Trust that this time of rest has offered exactly what was needed. Begin to invite a little movement back into the body. Gently moving the fingers, the toes, perhaps circling the wrists and ankles. You might stretch the arms overhead or move in any way that feels nourishing. Take your time. If you are lying down, you may choose to bend the knees and slowly roll onto one side, resting there for a moment. When you feel ready, gently make your way back to a comfortable seated position, or simply allow your eyes to open where you are. Carry this sense of steadiness with you, remembering that rest is always available. One breath, one pause, one moment at a time. Thank you for practicing with me, and may you carry this ease with you wherever the day takes you.